Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Grayson. We just got done soft washing this roof out here in Lake Oswego. So we sprayed our detergent on the roof, which kills and removes all of the moss, and then we guarantee that for 3 years. Colton's out here spraying the front of the house, getting it all rinsed off, and then the rest of the guys are out here in the back of the house finishing up the cleanup, and then they're gonna clean some windows for this customer as well. Just some dirty water got on the windows, so we're taking care of all that for them as well. Let's get the 3 over here as well, Logan. That door.
I should have just got on my gear. I'm basically washing.
That's what I was saying. Yeah, I mean, I was just saying everything but scrubbing. All right, I'm heading out now, about to do an estimate for a large apartment building complex that was just built over near where our shop is. So getting that estimate done and then sending it out today. Also going to be following up on a few large estimates that I've sent out in the last couple weeks.